Welcome back to Kumudni's home garden. I'm from Gurgaon, friends, and I'm Kumud here, your host. So friends, आज अपने गार्डन में मैं कुछ एक बहुत ही बिगनर्स वाला प्लांट बताने वाली हूँ. That plant is very easy to grow, and I'm going to transplant that, जो कि मैंने propagate किया हुआ है. ये देखिए कटिंग से प्रोपगेट किया है मैंने ये प्लांट. ये है जीजी प्लांट. वेरी इजी टू ग्रो एंड इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ऑल्सो. इट्स एन एयर प्योरीफाइंग प्लांट ऑल्सो एंड इट्स इंडोर. सो यू हैव टू कीप इट इंडोर ओनली and it doesn't tolerate much of sunlight. So keep it indoors in your living area or anywhere wherever you feel like in your homes. So friends, you see this cut part, this cut part. I have taken one cutting from here and one from some other place, and I put these two cuttings in water first, and then somebody told me about Leca balls. You know, they are mud balls. You see, they look like this. I hope you can see. They look like this. They are like mud balls only. So in this glass bowl I put them, and somebody told me that one can propagate plants very nicely in Leca balls, and it has got some nutrition also, maybe some neem extract also. So but they don't melt in water, although they are mud balls, but they don't melt. They are solid, and I'll just show you. See, I have put three cuttings here. One is this. This is ZZ plant. I'll just show you how well it has rooted. You see? Rooted so nicely. And not only it has rooted, but it has got two babies also, and one can see the root balls also. So you see how easy this plant is to grow. Somebody told me that it can be grown from a leaf also, but I have grown it from the stem, and the stem remained in water for quite a lot of time, and about I think 2-3 months it was there in water. So the period was so long that it even developed the new plants. You see the new plants. 2 plants are there, and it has developed such fantastic roots. I'm so thrilled to see this. And this is just a Dracena cutting. This has also got roots. This I put, I think, just about a week back only. But this has also got roots. And now I'll show you the second cutting. This is the second cutting. You can see this. And this has also got roots, and the bulbs also it has developed. It has got its babies, and it has got its bulbs. So they are propagating so well. I don't know if they could propagate the same way in plain water, but I used Leca balls, and I feel that Leca balls have done wonders to the roots. So now I'm going to plant them in this ceramic pot, because the earlier ZZ plant, this is also in ceramic pots, friends. So I've already put some soil here and here, and I'll put these plants here, one here. I'm holding camera in one hand, so It's little difficult, but anyway I can do it. So both the plants I'll put it here like this. Yeah. Now the soil is very well draining and fertile soil, friends. It's porous soil, well draining, and I have put both my ZZ plant in this only. They are with their new babies. I'll wait for them to grow big and then I can propagate these also and put them in the different ceramic pots. So these are the Leca balls, friends. You see, there are some glass stones also, glass pebbles. Initially they were there, then I put Leca balls also. So these Leca balls are easily available in the market. In any seed shop you will find these, and you can even get these from the on the net or Amazon or any other selling site, website. You can check, you can buy from there also. So here are my 2 pots of ZZ now. So that's it for today, friends, and I can put the same water here. No, but the Leca balls will also go. So later on I'll put some water